way I crochet them, they look so natural and individual. Then make sure you watch this video till the end for you to learn something new. Well, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. And guys, today's tutorial is going to be a bit twisty and different because we are going to be doing two methods at the same time to achieve a very amazing look. So for this tutorial, we are going to be doing the individual method at the front. So we are having a levote at the front, which is going to be done by individual method, and at the back we're just going to do crochet braids the normal way like we do. So let's start with this tutorial. As you do your crochet braids, the back isn't supposed to be as full as the front because the front has much hair, which is obvious compared to the back. So make sure you just scatter your crochet braids around the back. Make sure it's all balanced. As much as you don't have to have a lot of hair at the back, also make sure it's pretty well balanced so that you cannot look like you have too much at the front than the back. So just balance hair at the back nicely and go as you add towards the front. And as per my research this time, I got to realize that we've been doing crochet braids the wrong way, and the right way is you need to crochet your braid through your cornrow, not under your cornrow. This also helps with feeling less pain after doing your crochet braids, because sometimes you do your crochet braids and you have headaches, you can't sleep, and it will also take time for your hair to calm down. The tension will not come down as fast as you think. So to avoid the stressful moments of having these crochet braids, just make sure that you crochet through the cornrow, not under the cornrow. Trust me, try this method. You can comment down below and let me know what you think afterwards. Let me know what you think about this, but I have tried it personally and I feel like crocheting the crochet braid through the cornrow is more effective when it comes to having pain while having your crochet braids afterwards. Because we are doing a protective style, we also need to moisturize the hair so that we can lock in moisture while the hair is inside the lock. So we are going to do individual braids on the front, then we are going to crochet the braid through. So we are going to pull through the crochet braid, then after that you pull your own braid or matuta through the loop. Also pull through the extra crochet braid through the loop and secure your individual crochet braid. Afterwards you are going to have your braid peeping outside, and we do not want something that is peeping outside or hair peeping outside. We want this look to be neat. Make sure you pull through your braid into the crochet braid to make it secure and neat. You pull through your braid into the crochet braid. Packets, and this is another crochet braid that has an advantage. Or crochet braids are that you can remove them and reuse them. So this is another crochet braid that is going to save you coins on the way. So if you have variety of crochet braids, you can keep on changing your hairstyles. You really don't have to have one hairstyle for long, so you can actually undo your hair in a very nice way, wash them, store them, and then you can do them later on. Besides that, they are very light and painless. I don't feel any pain. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment down below on what you think about this method. I just love how this method makes my crochet braids look so individual and natural. Like, give me a thumbs up, like so that I can know if I could keep on doing more videos like this one. And until our next video, guys, bye.